All right, Parker. I'll see you later. Write that, write it in this read as possible. We'll see, I guess. That's crazy.
Was that Mr. Reese's class?
Who? Oh, I had it set up. And then, no lab today. No, I'm taking this. Notebooks, all the materials on the board.
Jump scare.
Shh, we got one up on the board too. Shh. Warm up on the board. Agenda, we got the slides, we got a few questions. And then we got the material we need. Shh. Yeah. Take the best.
It's recording, stop. You record us. Nope, it's recording the time. It's catching this side of the room since it didn't.
And I didn't know where to
Once, twice, 3 times. Alright, thank you. So, quietly get your notebook, quietly get your materials, and then we're going to do a warm up on the board. I'll give you about 5 minutes to get the warm up out the way. After that, it's good.
It's in the dustpan.
It's in the dustbin. So, shh, I think you worried about the wrong thing, man.
I want to take this over.
Excuse me.
I ain't got none of those. Wait, Mr.
Yeah.
Can I go back to I got it after.
We're quietly doing the warm up. Once you get the warm up done, I'm gonna give y'all about 5 minutes.
Can I go up there?
Yeah, you can't see it?
No.
Bowl bag should be in the front. I'm gonna put the timer on the board back here. And then I'm gonna pass out your little foldable that we'll finish on Monday. Because I won't be here tomorrow, we have a stuff.
Is it his way?
Right.
I don't know who it is.
Bruh, I don't want to. For real.
It might be this way.
No! I'm not partying though. All she do is like that. Right. Why is she still here?
Hey, shh, we're quiet. That's those 2 over here. This one. Madison, you want to pass this off? Madison is passing out your foldable, and we'll do that on Monday.
Do they even get 2? Just one?
Just one. All right. Alright, what's going on, y'all?
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, I'll call one. You can answer the first one.
Okay, I'm gonna call now.
Yeah.
How could you do that? Hey, where do you sit? Right. Yeah, where do you sit? Right there.
Okay, just go ahead and go around. Okay?
Got that.
That's just what I'm talking in the walkway.
Scroll up.
Everybody got a paper?
No, yes.
It's girl. She doesn't even deserve a word.
Hey. Shh. Alright. Yes.
He didn't even say it. She checked out.
Yeah, good, check out.
Tomorrow, you with this tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, man, I won't be here tomorrow, man. I got you, after class, okay? Okay.
I'm back. On the amphitheater.
quiet. Thank you. So, who wants to answer number 1 for me? Which layer of the Earth has the highest temperature and is made primarily of solid iron and nickel? One minute, go ahead. Raise your hand if you agree with her. Raise your hand if you think it's the inner core. Number 1. She answered number 1. She said B. Raise your hand if you think it's the inner core. Solid iron and nickel. Raise your hand if you think it's the outer core. I know we just talked about it. I know it's kind of fresh. Raise your hand if you think it's the crust. Raise your hand if you think it's the mantle. She was right. It's B. It's B. Good job, Monday.
They're not in the dough.
Okay, I got it. Look it up again. All right, moving forward. Number 2, who got the answer? Who wants to read number 2? Who has the answer for number 2? Jamal, go ahead, take a stab at it.
What is the primary characteristic of the Earth's outer core?
I know it's not really spaced out well, but what you got, man? What you got for me?
What I picked was C.
C? Raise your hand if you think it is a liquid layer made of iron and nickel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No, it's still kind of shaky. 5, 6, 7. Raise your hand if you think it's A.
A?
Yeah. Raise your hand if you think it's B. Raise your hand if you think it's B. The answer is C.
Oh, I thought you said C.
No.
Yeah.
So, for those who are a little confused still, remember our outer core is the only layer that's a liquid layer, and it's iron and nickel. That's the difference between that layer and your core, right?
What was that one?
Number 2 is C, liquid layer made of iron and nickel, because they're talking about the outer core. Number 1 was B, inner core. Good job, Jamal. And then last one, which Earth layer is the thickest and makes up about 84% of Earth's volume? Let's go, Kate, what is it? B. Raise your hand if you agree with her for B. Raise your hand if you think it's C. That's okay, that's okay. Raise your hand if you think it's D. Raise your hand if you think it's A. The answer was B. Mantle being the thickest part or the thickest layer of Earth's layer, right?
What'd you say was
B, number 3 was B. You wanna see?
number 2?
I know it's kind of fresh. We're gonna go over it soon. Number 2 was C. So we are gonna take a few notes today. I gave y'all foldable. Essentially, your foldable is gonna be a little book that you get to flip through, but I made it too small. I didn't think about how small it would be. Now, if y'all want, I can print it out and make it bigger. Cause I feel like if it's bigger, y'all can write more stuff in it, or y'all can color it. But for the most part, I had an example. I don't have it. But if we have enough time, I'll cut it out and I'll show you how it's supposed to look, right?
Okay.
But we're gonna move on, right? We're gonna take a few notes. They're only writing 4 things down, not too much, because y'all did pretty well yesterday. Shh, need y'all focus. Y'all did pretty well yesterday. So, you're good with that. Boom. Slides are up on Google Classroom also. If you want to follow along, but we're not gonna move too fast here, right? So I'm gonna give y'all time to do the foldable too, right? Yes.
Lost down.
You're only writing 4 things down. So if I were y'all, I would make some space, and then I would save some room for the foldable also. But we on layers of the earth, right? Boom. So here's our question. How are layers of the earth different from one another? Remember, what you need to know is how to compare. I can compare, contrast the Earth's crust, mantle, core, including temperatures, density, and composition. All right. Once you get this, part fine. All right. And y'all can do it back in your hand. All right. Look like the back of your hand. So we got 3 main layers: crust, mantle, core. And I'll let y'all know what y'all got right now. All right. If you want the little foldables right here, if you want it, you can start labeling on here, right? But if y'all want a bigger one, I'll print out a bigger one.
Wait, which one?
It's that one, yeah. That one you can make it into a book and then put it in. Alright, so we got 3 layers: crust, mantle, core. And they're gonna break it up for us in a little bit, right? So we're gonna look at it and we're gonna think like the earth is like a cake with layers, right? So the icing is the crust, right? Everybody likes cake, right? Yeah. Raise your hand if you don't like cake. What you like?
Behind you.
What you like?
Like chocolates and stuff.
Chocolates? What you like? Instead of cake.
Take cupcakes.
I'm sometimes I make sure the chocolate.
Chocolate? Okay. What you like, Elysia?
I like
Cookies and instead of cake?
no cookie dough cake.
Cookie dough cake? Okay.
He likes pencils.
Who? Okay. What else?
I do like cakes, but like, I would like, wait, even like a type of cake?
No, I'm saying if you don't like cake, what do you like instead of cake?
Ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake.
That's
Okay.
different. Okay, that's.
No,
It's not built like a cake, but it's
Funnel cake? Okay. And one more, so we can stay on task. Elysia, back to
I love ice
you. Ice cream? Okay, so instead of cake, she likes
cream.
ice cream. Okay. So, let's focus, right? So you can think about the crust being your icing, the mantle being a different cake. So we'll say the mantle is like velvet cake, red velvet cake. The icing in the middle to separate from the outer core, yellow cake. And then another set of icing to separate the inner core being the white cake, right? So here's your foldable. Like I said, I should have made it bigger. I didn't think about it, but I got y'all next time, right? So we're gonna start off with the crust. We're gonna focus in on 2 layers today. We got the crust right here at the top. You can label it if you want. So you have ocean, you have land, right? You can also color it if you want to, right? If you want to, not before you.
Okay.
Right? Then we're gonna divide it up even more. So underneath the ocean, you have oceanic crust. Yes, sir. What you need?
Well, how do scientists figure out what's in the earth though?
They use seismic waves to map it out, and I'll show y'all a video on how to do that later. A kid just actually did.
I'm gonna write out of it.
Oh my,
because
you
it's
can
too
dig down
small.
there. You dig
Yeah.
down there.
Focus on what we're talking about now. The crust, yeah. So we're focused on the crust. So if I were y'all, if it's too small, I would write it on the like on the page in the notebook, right? So because I know it's a lot. Yeah, that's fine. You can do it, right? And then you have the continental crust right here, right? Thumbs up once we have that written down.
Wait, where was the box, right?
So you're writing the ocean part right here at the top, and I'll come over and and then you're writing the land part right here. So you can label this here, so you can write ocean, oceanic crust is right here, land, and continental crust. But if the stuff you're gonna write down, you might as well write it on the side of the notebook.
Megan says,
Yeah.
you put me in school on that part.
Yes, this part is massive.
Megan says, right
Yes, I
here.
got you.
It's okay.
So this one is the crust.
I know, but right there, you put me in school.
No, you don't have to.
But here.
I just read it.
I got you, guys. Here you go.
Oh.
Alicia.
Alicia.
All right, thumbs up once you have this written down. All right, so we can move on. Need y'all focus. Thank you, Delaney. Thank you, Brittany. Thank you, Carson. Thank you, True. Thank y'all guys. Thank you, thank you.
It's supposed to right here.
No, you can write it at the top. So we good, right? Can I move on? You can read it there too. It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Cool. So, lot to write down. Not really, right? So, focus and listen. I'm gonna let y'all know what you need to write down. So we already have the bottom two, right? We already know there's two types of crust: oceanic crust, continental crust. We already know that the oceanic crust is mostly basalt, and then we know that the continental crust is mostly granite. But I would write down the thinnest layer of the earth that ranges from 2 miles in some areas of the ocean floor to 70 miles deep under mountains. That's the only bullet point you write down from this side. This is the top.
Right here, right here.
No, you can write it in your notebook, because it's a lot. But if you want to, you can, you know. But I have to print out a bigger one for y'all. Only the first one. Because we already have these two in the chart we did yesterday, right? And there's gonna be a question on the quiz I give you. And I remember this question because one of my kids 2 years ago, he got it wrong, and it was funny. To me, it was funny. What's so different about like a peach and avocado and like a hard-boiled egg?
Oh my gosh.
They all have different densities.
Well, that's true, but it's what's in them. Really, just a peach and an avocado. Alicia.
They have different seeds.
Yes, they have different seeds, but what's so different?
Avocado is a vegetable and the.
No. I'm losing.
Me.
Carson.
The difference between them is like, some of them have nuts and some of them is just like from.
A peach and avocado?
So think about the size of the seed,
No, I don't.
right? What's up, man?
Why y'all keep looking at me, people?
What, this person? Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so peaches are more like dense and avocados are harder?
Okay, so now what we're talking about when I compare it to like the earth, right? So if I have an avocado, right, I have the skin, I have the middle, and I have what's in
Seed.
the seed, right?
They both have like big seeds though.
They have big seeds, so I can compare that to like the earth, right? So if I have the skin, what would the skin represent? The crust. And then the middle part can be the mantle and the outer core. And the seed could be what? The inner core, right?
Like that juice, right?
Yes. So what you'll see is, on the quiz, I'll give y'all next week. I need y'all to focus on me. Thank you. On the quiz, I'll give y'all next week, right? It's gonna ask you a question where it's like, if I have a peach and the skin of the peach represents what layer of the earth, what would it be? The crust, right? The crust. I had a kid choose inner core.
Is he stupid?
No, don't say that.
Okay, that's me.
I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
So the question was, because you're gonna see it again. I'm gonna give you
You had
this.
last year kids?
No. A few years ago. So he said the question is asking, what does the skin represent on a peach compared to like the layer of the earth, right? If I'm talking about the skin, right? What is that? Where's the skin at? It's the outside, right? It's the outside of the peach. He said it was an inner core.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny though. That's funny.
Hey, it's fun. It was funny to
It's
me,
kind of funny though.
but you
Because
know.
like, we had different thoughts.
So,
Because
but
we had to think about the house
Say
and think about the earth.
not so high.
Oh.
But he did better on his test, though. He did better on his.
He said.
But if you give me 5 months, let's focus, okay? So are we done with this thumbs up if we got this right now?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Wait,
Well,
do you know
actually,
why
yeah.
you chose intercourse?
He was being silly.
Like, what? It's a test.
It's a test.
It's okay though. It was a quiz. And then on the test, he did it really good. Right? Gave him time to understand. Thumbs up once we got the first bullet point up. Right? Because we have the second and third one already, right?
Yeah.
So,
I don't like the third one.
hmm?
I don't like the third one.
I said you're only writing the first one. You do have the second and third one. You did the chart yesterday?
Which one? This one?
The only chart there.
Oh. I know the chart yesterday.
I'll give you the chart.
What'd you staple? Mysteries.
I need to.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I need everybody to focus this one. So we good? Can I move on?
Yeah. I told you back.
What? That's yours. I have another day.
Yours is about to
You were supposed to give me your notebook.
Yeah.
I was completely.
So, shh, thank you. The Earth's crust is like the skin of an apple. Why is the statement true? Think of another example. So, like the peach, who got one for me? Go ahead, Parson. Bless you.
Because you know how like the middle of the apple they have to say the middle of the earth they have to interpret.
Okay,
Kind of like this.
go ahead.
Like another example is like a grape.
A grape?
A grape, they have like a bunch of seeds in the middle, but they're all like kind of like bunched up, which would make like the thing in the middle.
Okay,
would
so,
make it- I'm not done.
okay, go ahead.
Okay, it's fine.
Go ahead, Connor. Go ahead and finish.
And then like you have like it's easy to take off the
Skin?
yeah. It's easy.
I thought you were finished.
It's easy to take off the skin because like it's like easier because it's like softer on the inside. But on the inside of this does make it on the inside of the earth does make it denser when you go down.
Okay.
Yeah.
It does.
Okay.
You done?
Yes.
Who got one? You got
I
one?
didn't get it.
Go ahead.
Probably like the cherry.
A cherry?
It always has seeds in it.
Okay, so let's not think about just the seed, let's think about the outside.
But yeah.
Bruh.
Like just imagine you kind of some allergies.
Yeah, you're peeling it, it's easy to peel, and then you.
Wait, no, like,
And then
I
it
don't know
got
how to explain it.
Shh. Go
I
ahead.
don't know how to explain it. Like, you know the, not the gooey stuff,
Like the inside.
but yeah, like the inside.
It's okay, I see what you're talking about. She's talking about like the inside of, you have the skin, and you got the inside of the cherry, and then in the middle you got the seed. I understand what you're saying, go ahead.
A mango or a kiwi?
A mango or a kiwi, that's good too, right? So think about the skin of an apple, why is it similar to the crust?
Mango?
Outside. Which y'all gave
Mango
me,
has a big seed.
it does. But y'all gave me all the good stuff, and I'll give it to you, but not right now. Because we have to.
Wait,
It's one more, it's really quick.
Why y'all waiting for this?
A coconut, okay, coconut is good too.
That's be quick.
Because they get denser.
Like bread.
I think we get it, guys.
Wow.
I'll
They want fresh.
all of that. For what?
Huh?
I was just thinking.
Alright, so we got 3 more things to write down. So with the mantle, you got lower mantle, middle mantle, and you have the upper mantle. So what's so important about the convection currents in the middle mantle, and we'll learn that in just a second, they kind of cause the tectonic plates to move, right? So we'll talk about this more in depth next week, right? So we got it to where, and I'll give you a little brief summary, you're a hotter, less dense fluids, and this, we have convection currents all the time. Like if you have a boiling pot, you see them, not really see them, but that's what's going on. In a room, if the air is blowing, you'll see that also. Or if heat is blowing. Your less dense, hotter the material will rise, and your cooler, more dense material goes. So it's a little confusing right now because I have to like actually show you, like draw it out for you. And I can explain it. But it's gonna be easier if I do, right? So if you want, you can write it down. But well, not if you want, it's already there. And it's there right here too. Yeah. Thank you. So you have mantle, a solid but capable of flowing like putty or fudge. You don't have to write this down. I would write down the last bullet point though, because you already have the first two. Thickest layer of the earth making up 70% of Earth's mass, right? Who wants to read that third bullet point for me? Higher.
The hot material lies in the which one, right? Yeah. Third one. Hot
I can't hear you.
Stop interrupting.
The hot material map. Let me read it yourself. What should you read? I know she's
The last right.
read it yourself. What should you read yourself? It's only one.
The last one.
The last one.
You ready to write down?
Yeah, and they can make it also.
Mr. Brazil go?
Yapping.
Where Mr. Brazil go?
He yapping.
What are you talking to my you
don't like to what you do right?
Girl, I do. I just want to send the pencil. No, I have to talk about the
No, he said the bottom. The last.
Ooh.
You said you're not doing it?
I said I am.
All right.
Which one do you write?
Just the last one. I would write the last one. And then let me get a thumbs up once we got the last one down, right? The first two, you already have it on the chart, right? Yes, sir. Good? Thank you. Thank you, Kay. I
I don't
see
have
you.
it on the chart. It becomes it's blank.
What you mean?
It's blank.
Your chart is blank?
Uh-huh.
Where's your chart? That's not your chart. That's your folder.
The chart we did yesterday.
This is your chart.
What chart? Oh, the one next to it yesterday.
This one you gotta glue your notebook. I see you got it. I'm gonna get you the chart and I'm gonna let you get it from class.
Excuse me. Anyone got the chart from yesterday? Help me out.
A chart.
The chart from yesterday.
It goes
It's not
8
reading
months
the
up. It goes 8 months.
Yeah, if you get your class work.
Guys,
Wasn't talking to you about it.
there's no way y'all clap for that. Right. Girl, you clap too.
Exactly. Yes, you
No, I didn't. Yes, you did.
We all heard it. Don't lie.
Are we done?
No.
So let's stop the talking and then once you're finished, I got you.
Okay.
I see y'all. We only got two more to write down. I know.
My back already hurts.
Just
I
two.
can't. My finger hurts from reading.
Yes.
It's literally right there.
Just sit right there.
Yeah, my hands are like at the end of the day. I was supposed to have yeah, my hands are
Sit in the black chair.
that one.
No, that one. Can I move on?
No.
Thumbs down if we're still writing. With your other hand. Thumbs up once we're finished. Berkeley, we done? Carla, we finished? Are we finished?
Yes.
Jamal, are we good? Can I move on?
Yes.
Who said finish? Okay, thank you. Shh. Moving on. Two more. This one, the lithosphere is part of the crust and upper mantle. Well, we know this. Divided into separate pieces called plates. Now, I wouldn't write this all down, right? But I would write down the lithosphere is divided into separate pieces called plates.
Wait,
The lithosphere is divided into separate pieces called plates. Because we already know that the lithosphere is part of the crust and the upper mantle.
Just stop it, please.
Mhm.
Wait, what? Don't stop.
That person.
Really, just cut out this part and you say lithosphere is divided into pieces, separate pieces called plates. You all want me to write it down for real?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, if you want separate pieces.
All plates.
What comes out of separate pieces?
Called plates.
Called.
C-A-L-L-E-D. Plates. Thumbs up once you got that down. And then we're gonna write down the last slide. And then I'm gonna show y'all what to do with the foldable board. Can I move on? No?
Yes.
Thumbs up if we're still, if we're good. That's okay, okay.
Have a lucky day.
Yeah. Okay, good.
what happened? I just accidentally did it. Oh, yeah, sure. And if you can't understand
You said put the little spheres divided into separate pieces called plates.
Yeah.
Fine.
Oh, shoot, I don't know why I did that. Don't know why. Thumbs up if we're finished.
What is it called? What is it called?
We're good? Okay. Yeah.
I think this is Ryan Cooks.
You can throw it away.
It hurts.
The dance coach is at
Coach Hines?
the dance.
Coach Hines.
Go ahead.
No, go get your water bottle. Okay. Oh my God. Girl, you just got it, already dropped it.
She heard it too.
Girl, you just got it.
Trying to break it already.
Come on.
Babacita. Sexy thing next.
This is not right.
Alright, can I move on, guys?
Yeah.
If you give everybody once, twice, let's focus, please. Thank you. Last one. And then you could put right here, that first sentence is the epicenosphere. It's a soft layer of the upper mantle on which the place of the lithosphere. So, you're gonna put that in the mantle, which is right separately. That's the middle mantle. Yeah, that's where the convection currents are. That's it. So, fun part about this one, the convection currents only take place in this part of the mantle.
What do we do with the like soil up there? So
Probably not. We're probably never gonna do that.
the
That would require me to contact all the parents and have them bring materials.
my name.
Yours, but I don't have the resources to buy for 80 kids.
That's what.
She didn't
That's
buy.
what you gotta do. You gotta put up. You gotta like analyze it, then put.
Mr. Reeves spent like 3,600 for the books.
He ain't paying no $300.
That's 300.
Let's focus. Thumbs up once we got that first sentence down, and that's the last thing we're writing down today. Just the first sentence. Just the first sentence.
That's upset movie.
Yeah. Because we already know that it's made of putty-like material.
I'm getting dizzy. Thank you.
I'm getting dizzy too.
So.
My stomach is twisting.
Yeah.
You could have got your Chromebook out and did it on your.
You want to get on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like the second thing something.
Can we do Bluetooth?
No, not today. Yes. Thank you, Delaney.
Can we do it tomorrow?
I won't be here tomorrow.
Just
Just do it.
If you get here about once, let's calm down, please. Thank you. I'll have some work for y'all tomorrow. Nothing too big.
Can we do hockey tomorrow? He just said.
No, we don't got to. If we did, yeah. But
We need to do it differently.
You trying to put that in the game. Efficient.
It's funny. It's gonna make you alright. It's actually
y'all done? Y'all finished? No. Thumbs up. If we had 10 more minutes, I would have gave y'all something to do on your Chromebook.
It's fine. We don't start packing up so
Buses come early.
So who cares about buses?
So if you're finished, you can close your notebook. I'm gonna give y'all something to do. I'm gonna give y'all the rest of these questions. Yeah. Everybody's good, right? Can I close this out?
Yeah.
Alright. So, I got 2 more questions for y'all to do. Number 4.
Whoever's doing that, please stop.
quietly think about it, right? I'm gonna give y'all about 3 minutes to, to think about it. Number 4, being crust is different from other layers because of length. And then 5, how do the mantle, okay, so how does the mantle and crust compare in terms of composition, right? Timer, I'll give y'all 3 minutes. Actually, I'll give y'all 5.
No, I don't think it's that.
Y'all, go real quiet, just think about it. I'm glad to see you. What's going on with that? You look really good with those cornrows, man. Yeah. Yeah. And once you got it, after the timer's up, be off 5. That's the one you're doing. Focus on this, focus on this. It's dismissal time. Abdul, get away from the camera, please. Thank you.
What would be the density for the mantle?
Yes, ma'am. If you want to, or you could just write it down separately and you can answer it together. But I gave you about 3. I think I'm gonna close it out now. If you give me clap once, twice. All right. So everybody who's up needs to have a seat, please. Thank you. Let's do this. Who has the answer for number 4? Let's do somebody I haven't heard from today. Berkeley. See? Raise your hand if you agree with Berkeley for C. Raise your hand if you disagree. Raise your hand if you don't know. You can be honest, raise your hand if you don't know. You don't know from? Alright, I got you. Oh, you can't see? I'm sorry. The answer is C. It's the thinnest layer in the least thin. I can see. Thank you.
You see paint?
And then number 5, focus. How does the mantle and crust compare in terms of composition? Oh, I heard from you today. I need to hear from somebody I haven't heard from today. Clementine. Real calm, real chill. What you got for number 5? You can't. Can't see? Why need to move up?
No. Can you kind of see the...
Alright, you want me to call somebody else? Hida, you want to answer or you having difficulty seeing?
Yeah. I can feel like the voice.
Madison, let's go.
I can see.
I think, I'm not sure.
It's okay, take a guess.
It's D.
D. Raise your hand if you agree with Madison. Raise your hand if you disagree. Raise your hand if you don't know.
If I don't know.
If you don't know. Because you can get it.
You're so passionate.
The answer is D.
Yes.
Good job.
Yes, I can see.
So, if you hear me clap once, twice. So please, if you haven't packed up, please go ahead and pack up now. Now, everybody else have a seat and wait for your bus to be
Can I
brought.
that chair?
After I pull up the bus stuff. Last year?
All year last year.
No.
But I can't see that.